Hey there, my name is Bruce Schwack and I am the Director of Communications here at Netmeds. I have been asked to say a few words on behalf of our customer contact center software company, which is of course C-Zentrix. I think it would help a little to preface my remarks by saying that I first came to India back in 2000, almost 20 years ago, and I came here to sell call center software and to create call centers. And in the process of visiting India many times and enticing a lot of customers, I wound up building 50 call centers throughout India. In Noida, Gurgaon. I built call centers in Gurgaon when you could walk for 10 hectares before you'd reach the next building. And of course, Jaipur, Navi Mumbai, Ahmedabad. We build call centers all over India, about 50 centers altogether. So I know a little bit about call center software. So of course, when it came time for us to develop our own call center here at Netmeds and to put call center software in place, I was pretty much of what you would say a demanding, particular, and you could say knowledgeable candidate. The process of choosing an enterprise class tool to power a customer contact center that's going to handle multi-thousand calls a day, pan-Indian origination, multilingual calls, it's a pretty demanding task. And as you can imagine, we looked at a lot of different software. Of course, we looked at what we would call the big three and evaluated them. And one of the things that's important that I have found, whenever you are presented with a pitch, a sales pitch for any kind of software tool or application, what typically happens is the sharpest people in the company come in and do the presentation. And if you choose the company, very often what you get is a follow-up team and a sales engineering team that's not quite as sharp as the sales team. But of course, we chose C-Zentrix, as I say, and not only was the pitch really fantastic and showed that they had done a lot of digging in and understanding our business, but the actual execution, putting the software in place and meeting all of the milestones and all of the deadlines and turning the software going live on the anticipated date, all of that was done with the same degree of skill, understanding, expertise that the sales presentation, which was it was thoroughly appreciated by me and the entire team. As you can understand, the customer service end of a company is not only vital, but it's also very difficult. And as our agents would attest, and anyone who's ever been involved in customer service would be quick to tell you, you don't get a lot of calls in customer service of customers calling just to say everything's great and they're very happy. It's a very demanding job where you have to deal with customers that are usually at the outset not exactly thrilled. So the fact that we have a tool that helps us manage the inbound and outbound communication, tie it seamlessly with APIs to our CRM software, and allow the agent to know everything about the call. As soon as the screen pop comes, the customer is identified, the IVR is advanced enough so it's handling about 30% of the calls before they ever get to live agent. So all in all, the tool has been one of the best decisions that we have made. The choice of the tool has been one of the best decisions we have made. We've never looked back, we've never regretted it, and as we continue to grow and build Netmeds, C-Zentrix is growing with us. They've devoted great resources and brilliant minds to our account. Hardeep Singh, who has led the team, has led us in the right direction. Vishal, who is our account head and interacts closely with our customer satisfaction department, our CS heads, managers, and TLs. They've all become a really tight family. They're an integral part of what we do, and we intend to see them help us grow for a long time to come. So that's what I have to say about C-Zentrix. And anyone who is interested in investing in contact center software, feel free to call me. Thanks.